Hi everyone, it's Donna from Hollywood, California. It's not just paint, it's art by Donna. And today I'm going to not finish up, but I'm going to try and finish up my rainbow paints that I have here. And I will put all that description below. I'll put everything in the description below of what I used, which were all Artist Loft Flow Acrylic and Artist Loft Premix pouring paints, and I'll put down exactly how I mix them in the description. Everything is mixed to a pretty thin consistency, and some of them have iridescent paints, pouring medium in them, and that has an eye marked on my stick. And I'm going to start off with a white background today, and I will be doing a Dutch pour, and I hope this one works out. And this is an 8x10 canvas, and yes, there's bubbles because I mixed this up quite recently, like within the last 20 minutes or so. So I'm gonna blow out those bubbles, and I'm gonna spread this paint. And I hope everybody's having a good day. Yesterday was my husband John and I's 46th anniversary, and yeah, we did something very different. We had a nice steak lunch with our daughters, and my daughter. Yeah, and we did that in a different place than we normally would. We took takeout from Outback, and we sat in a parking lot in Sherman Oaks, and we ate out of the trunk of my car. She ate in her car. Rachel ate off the back of her car, the back of my daughter's car. It was quite interesting. It was fun. It was something different. Yeah, so I didn't have a white tablecloth on this year. That's okay. We were together. My son and his wife sent us, got a nice little message from them. And my granddaughter's in Georgia. So yeah, it was all good. It's all good. Got lots of beautiful messages on Facebook from our friends. So, yep, it was a great day. 46 years is a lot to accomplish with one person. So, quite happy about that. We were able to celebrate. Not many people get to do that, so I'm very grateful about that. So let's get on to our painting here. So let's see, how am I going to do this one? Let me stir this up again. So far we did a black background and we did a white background yesterday, and that was yeah, that was a surprise because my paint was it was the satin enamel bear, so that was quite interesting, if I do say so. So I'm gonna try, I don't know if this will even work, but I'm gonna try and make a rainbow like that. paints are too thin, but okay, let's just continue with this little rainbow theme here. Last but not least is our purple. Okay. I don't know if I should take these out of the way totally, because when I come through with that blow dryer, we don't want to be blowing this anywhere. Okay. Okay, let's see, looks really pretty. Yeah, I'm liking that. I am liking this. Look at those little cells there. If I could. Well, I think I should quit while I'm ahead. I think I have something really nice here. And I love how it came out. I really do. I got some great cells. I'm very happy with the composition. Yeah. Give me a thumbs up, please. I'll be happy to accept a thumbs up for this. Let me know what you think in the comments below. I don't think I should. I think I should just leave everything the way. Leave it alone, Donna. Quit while you're ahead. I got those lovely rainbow colors. This is so vibrant. I'm so happy here. I'm happy with it. Please subscribe. Send it to your friends. This is Donna from Hollywood signing off. Have a great day, everyone. Please wait for the close-up. Bye-bye now.